This is the visitor center at Rock Hound State Park near Deming, New Mexico. And this is the Luminaria display this evening on Saturday, December 14th.
The sun is setting over the little Florida.
That's really pretty. There it is. Now we're walking along the path with the Luminarias, are the Farolitas, and I'm not using my cane. So if you hear a crash on this recording, you'll know that I hit the ground. I've got it like strapped into me. Yes, it's beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to zoom up maybe to the side of the building so you can see the ones on top of the roof. Okay, that's enough of the walkway. This is the outdoor labyrinth, and they put the luminarias along the pathway, and people are walking in the dark.